How we doing, Groundbreakers? Mandy and Gabe here. A little heat check 2-box break. We'll start off the way we usually do, picking the chaser. Still the Josh Allen and the Tua we got going in there. We're due for somebody to crack one of those bad boys. Who do we get with Miami and Buffalo this time around? Blaine Tucker with Buffalo and Papa Nutsman in Miami. Congrats. All right. 6 rounds. And box 2.
I'll flip the
The baby is wound.
She's wound.
tonight.
Sorry, guys. As soon as
she's getting a little turned up with her big sister tonight.
There you go. Yeah.
All right. We will pick our 2 boxes. I'm hoping to do a bigger one next time. Oh, did I just do it? Oh, wait, that's what I always do it. Never mind.
Yes, honey.
And final round. Oh, goodness. Box 30 and 24. Oh, and I never shuffled those guys this time. That's the first. 30 and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Didn't miss the chaser by much. And then we got 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. That one feels kind of heavy. So I have up to 15 boxes now, have multiple cards, more than one card in them. We still have the 2 helmets. We've got the jersey. Next round of heat check, I'm going to put in an Optic Mega Box. So if we hit that, we'll open it. What else did we add in here? Oh, I threw in a huge rookie running back auto. Not huge, but it's about half of what the chaser is, so it's pretty good size. We'll run down the teams real quick. If anybody did any trades, just let me know. We got Steve with Arizona, Nate with Indy, Mike Reynolds with Oakland, Papa Nutsman with Atlanta, Steve with Houston, Nate with Pittsburgh, Mike with Minnesota, Zach Nutsman with Chicago, Nate with Denver, Steve with Washington, Michael Hughes with the Chargers, Blaine with Buffalo, Steve with Carolina, Papa Nutsman with San Fran and Detroit, David Carter with the Jets, Joey with Seattle, Michael Hughes with Tennessee, Steve with Cincy, Mike Reynolds with New Orleans, David Carter with Baltimore, Nate with New England, Steve with Green Bay, Joey with Dallas, Nate with Philly, Mike Reynolds with Kansas City, go Chiefs, Joey with the Rams and the Giants, Nate with Jacksonville, David with Tampa Bay, Joey with Cleveland, and Papa Nutsman with Miami. And I'm going to end up just selling those chasers and rousing them off just to pick new ones because I'm getting sick of them. You guys probably are too. Well, actually, when we have that box in there, though, that'll be another. Still have the Edwards-Helaire Kaboom. Still have the Justin Jefferson RPA in here. I'm telling you, the jersey is dope. So throw the Optic box in there and still having the chasers with it. Alright, we have a multi-card box. I did them all with brands, so any of the multi-card ones are pretty much either all of the same brand. I was thinking about maybe doing the same position or same division or something like that, but we'll get creative as we go with those. All right, first up, we got C.J. Henderson for Jacksonville. 24 out of 25. Nate Langner. Nate not feeling too well at home right now. Not sure he's watching this one with us tonight. Hope he feels better. Next up, we've got a KJ Hamler. 58 out of 199 for the Broncos. Nate again. Next up, and I believe this is Nate as well. New England, yes, Nate. Stephen Gilmore. 16 out of 35. Little purple prism. We're trying to get a little coordination going with them. Make the box look halfway decent. Next up, going to Arizona, we have a Kyler Murray 182 out of 299. Going to Steve. I got new cases in today. Looks like this was the only box I didn't sub the cases in for. I did on the rest. And last up, going to Philly. You know he would have traded some of these teams too if he was feeling up to it tonight. But he got lucky and held on to him. So Nate took down the first box. We've got a Jalen Reagor 4-color patch. 20 out of 25. Nice hit there for Nate. Congrats. Well, I'm happy we hit one of the multi-boxes. On a run, Langner. Let's see if we're going to spread some love here. Feels like there might be another multi-box. Pretty heavy. It is. Looks like we've got a mosaic pack. And first up, we've got for Baltimore and David Carter, Lamar Jackson Red Pro Bowl. I'm gonna sub that one. And then next up, going to the Rams, we've got a Red Wave, Cam Akers, Joey Davis. Next up, we've got a mosaic flea flicker. Marshawn Lynch, Russell Wilson, and DK Metcalf. That's numbered 1 out of 99. Next up, going to the Buffalo Bills and Blaine Tucker. We've got a Stephon Diggs, Disco. And last but not least, going to the Oakland Raiders and Mike Reynolds. We've got a Henry Ruggs. Prismato. So, not a bad break there, getting the 2 multi-boxes. Didn't get any of the huge guys. There are a couple multi-boxes too that are a little bigger than the ones that we did get. But all in all, not too shabby. I'm going to do a little deal on the next one. We're going to pump up the boxes a little bit. I'm going to do a 5-box break, or a 6-box break for the price of 5. And we'll see if we can't get that guy filled. All right. Marshawn Lynch, Metcalf, Wilson, number to 99. Kyler Murray to 299. Lamar, Red Pro Bowl. Cam Akers, Red Wave. Gilmore to 35, purple. Henderson Teal to 25. Hamler Pink to 199. Diggs, Disco Variation. Ruggs, Prismato, going to the Raiders. And the hit of the night, if you ask me, I love the patch on this one. Pretty sharp looking card. 20 out of 25, Jalen Reagor going to the Eagles. thank you guys for filling that up. I'll get the other one posted tonight. We also have some Inception coming this week. And after that, I'm hoping to maybe be able to throw some dollars at some encased football and see if we can't move that for you guys. So have a good night.